solve the assignment problem. So assignment problem like transportation problem, the solving method is different. The another name for assignment problem is Hungarian method. To solve the assignment problem, first step is to check the order of matrix is equal or not. If the order of matrix is equal, we can proceed next step. If the order of matrix is not equal, we need to make order of matrix is same. If number of rows is less, we need to add a dummy row with a cost 0, or if number of columns is less, we need add a dummy column with cost is 0. So next step 2, subtract the minimum element in each row from all other elements and its row. So என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா ஒவ்வொரு ரோலையும் we need to select the minimum element and subtract it from all other elements. So consider this problem. First row, the minimum value is 5. So we subtract 5 from all other elements. The result matrix is 0, 2, 6, 1. M1, M2, M3, M4. So next, the second row, the same minimum value is 5. The result is 3, 0, 4 and 1. If the third row, the minimum value is 4, 0, 3, 6, 3. Fourth row, the minimum value is 3, 10 minus 3, 7, 4 minus 3, 1, 8 minus 3, 5, 3 minus 3, 0. So next step, we need to subtract the minimum element in each column from all other elements in its column. So row wise பண்ண மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா column wise we need to do. So column wise we need to select the minimum value from each column and we need to subtract it from all other elements. So first column we have a minimum value 0, the same will be result. The second column has 0, 2, 0, 3, 1. The third column have no 0. We need to select the minimum value. The minimum value is 4. 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 4, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 4, the result is 1. The fourth column have 0. The same will appear. So next step 4. Draw the minimum number of lines to cover all zeros. We draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros. So to draw the lines, we start with the maximum zeros. So let's see the row, first row 1 0, second row 2 0, third row 1 0, fourth row 1 0, first column 2, second column and other columns have only 1 0. The second row have 2 zeros. So next first column have 2 zeros. So next the last column have 2 zeros. So now we need to check number of lines equal to order of matrix. So number of lines 3 not equal to order of matrix. So next step என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, by subtract the smallest uncovered elements from all the uncovered elements and adding to the element that is at the point of intersection of lines. So select the minimum value from uncovered elements. So line drop ஆனாத இடத்துல இருந்து we need to select the minimum value and minus from all other elements. நான் அந்த வேல்யூ என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, எல்லா அன்கவர்டு எலிமெண்ட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா வேல்யூவும் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா மைனஸ் பண்ணணும். எங்கெல்லாம் லைன் கிராஸ் ஆகிருக்கோ தட்ஸ் திஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸில் என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we need to add that value. The minimum value is from uncovered element is 1. So we need to subtract 1 from all other uncovered elements. So now we check. If line is drawn, we write the same value. 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, the 1 remains same. 3, this intersection of lines we need to add 1, 4, 0, 0, 2. Next 0 same, 2, 1, 3, 4th row 7, 0, 0 and 0 will be same. So next we need to draw the minimum number of lines to cover maximum number of zeros. To draw the line we need to select the maximum number of zeros. First line, second line will be now 3 not equal to 4. So again we need to modify the matrix. The same, we need to select the minimum value from uncovered element. The minimum value is 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. Intersection point 4, it will be converted into 5, 0, 0, 2. So next 0, 1, 0, 2. So next 7, this intersection point, it will come 8, 0, 0, 0. So again we need to draw the number of lines. To draw the number of lines we need to check maximum number of zeros. First column, first row 4, second row 2, third row 2, fourth row 3, first column 2, second column 3, third column 4, 2. So maximum number of zeros is I draw. So next if we check this row, again this row 2 zeros, 2 zeros. While draw the lines it must be less than or equal to order of matrix. 4 equal to 4. The lines should not exceed the order of matrix. While draw the lines we need to careful this point. Now we can make the assignment. 1, J2, J3, J4, M1, M2, M3, M4. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 0 0 2 0 1 0 2. Next 8 0 0 0. Now we are going to start the allocation. So assignment. First we need to start where the minimum number of zeros occur. So which row have minimum number of zeros? Second row have a minimum number of zeros. I allocate 0. So we need to cross the zeros in column and rows, remaining other zeros. So next we need to select third row, the remaining will be closed. So next can select this 0 will be closed. We can assign this. Now J1 equal to M4, J2 equal to M2, J3 equal to M3, J4 equal to J3 equal to M1, J4 equal to M3. The cost of assignment is the first row M4 have 6, M2 have 5, 4 and 8. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 8. The total is 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 8 23. The assignment cost is 23.